Good morning friends, myself Niranjan and you are watching the channel Quest. Today is 30 April. Welcome everybody to our today's session of our regular GK series Today in History, in which today we shall look at some of the important events happened on 30 April in history in form of questionnaires so as to enable you to memorize easily. Friends, if you are watching the channel first time, then click the red subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of our videos. Before beginning, let's have today's thought. The secret of success in life is for a man to be ready for his opportunity when it comes. So always be prepared for your opportunity when it comes and take the advantage of it. Question number 1. Which Sikh warrior died on this day in 1837, was chief of army staff of Maharaja Ranjit Singh, known for his conquest of Kasur, Sialkot, Multan, Kashmir, Peshawar and Jamrud? Answer: Hari Singh Nalwa. Question number 2. Who is the first female judge of Supreme Court of India who was born on this day in 1927? Answer: Fatima Bibi. Her full name is Mira Sahib Fatima Bibi. She was the former governor of Tamil Nadu. Question number 3. Which Indian producer, director, screenwriter born on this day is known as father of Indian cinema, whose notable films are Mohini Bhasmasur, Satyavan Savitri, Lanka Dahan, Sri Krishna Janma and Kaliya Mardana? Answer: Dada Saheb Phalke. His original name is Dhundiraj Govind Phalke. Question number 4. Which Indian classical dancer of Bharatanatyam and Odissi born on this day in 1944? Answer: Sonal Mansingh. She had learned Odissi from Guru Kelucharan Mahapatra. Question number 5. Which two Indian revolutionary threw bomb at British magistrate Douglas Kingsford on this day in 1908? Answer: Khudiram Bose and Prafulla Chakki. Question number 6. Which Indian bank was nationalized on this day in 1955? Answer: Imperial Bank of India. Question number 7. Which pilotless aircraft was successfully tested on this day in 2008 from Chandipur beach in Baleshwar of Odisha? Answer: Lakshya. Question number 8. Which Indian actor was declared the first superstar of Indian cinema at Dada Saheb Phalke Academy Awards ceremony 2013? Answer: Rajesh Khanna. Question number 9. Which American political leader was elected unanimously as the first president of America on this day in 1789, who had led the Patriot forces to victory in the nation's War of Independence? Answer: George Washington. Question number 10. Which American businessman and mountaineer became the first person to climb the summit of Mount Everest on this day in 1985? Answer: Richard Dick Bass. Friends, thanks for watching the video. If you feel the video is useful, then comment, like, share and subscribe.